going to be at the very bottom, and these two are going to be the top pieces. So what you're doing is you're making three of these. One, two, three. Okay, guys, this is the bottom. They are 24 inches from end to end, and I think it's 5.5. Oh, I'm not sure. I measured again in a minute, and I'll either tell you or put it in a video. But this is how the bottom is. I forgot to press record when I had put the legs on. So what I did is I nailed these on the sides, okay? On the short side of the box, all right? And I had cut the leg 30 inches. And here I also cut a leg brace at 19 inches, okay? So that's how I did that. And what I did is I went all the way. I got two of these 2x4s, one on this side and one all the way on the other side. That's what I connected these two to this. So when I'll flip it over tomorrow and show you what I'm talking about. Um, what that is from a 4x4. Um, but what I did is I put them on the ends. I put one, the first one I put down, I put 2 screws in. And then the second one, what I did was glue it up there. That's why you saw the clamps. I'm going to mix up some glue and sawdust. And I am going to fill these little cracks in right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it, and then you will see me paint it. Right here, this is a new boo-boo. Right here. Right there. That's a boo-boo. This is from my sander. So what I did here is I stained the whole planter black, and then after that I let it dry. Then I painted. I put 2 coats of white paint. So I'm gonna put one more coat on top of this. So basically, I'm sanding with a sanding block in areas where I can't, where the sander is not going to be able to really fully get into. And I don't want to use the sander and then start gouging. I don't want to do any gouging in it. And I don't want it to sand to the point where it gets to the wood. So basically I'm just sanding where a sander cannot get into.